Grotches Choir's 2020 for Christmas Cantata National Tour will visit 13 cities this year. Starting with the performance at Anson Arts Center on 15th of last week, the performance continued this week at Mokdang at Korea Sound Culture Center in Jeonju and KBS Hall in Uido, Seoul. Promotional teams in each region actively invited groups to culturally underprivileged groups and received great interest from citizens, with a steady stream of people coming to each performance venue. The Christmas cantata lasted about 2 hours and featured a Christmas-themed opera and musical choir performance, as well as a message from Pastor Ok-soo Park, founder of Grotches Choir. After the performance, the audience expressed their feelings, saying that they had watched a meaningful performance that warmed their hearts as they celebrated the end of the year. Grotches Choir's 2020 for Christmas Cantata Tour continues until December 22nd. Good News Buddhist Church in northern Myanmar held a 3-day Bible seminar with Pastor Kim Jong from November 18. About 300 people from Sinkitan Church in northernmost part of Myanmar attended this Bible seminar, including 50 believers who walked the mountain path for 5 days and 150 invited people. The Myanmar church said the attendees were happy to receive forgiveness of sins as they heard the gospel preached at the Bible seminar, and although transportation and communication are currently blocked due to civil war in the Budao and Singkong regions, the work of the gospel has not ceased and stability is being found. Good News Incheon Church Silver Team conducted a youth university workshop at Forest Chuan in Daejeon for 2 days and 1 night starting on 19. With about 50 people in attendance, the program consisted of health exercises, singing classes, and a mind lecture by Pastor Byung-gun Oh of Incheon Church. Even seniors who were not yet convinced of the gospel responded that they were righteous after hearing the gospel. The Incheon Church Silver Team said that they plan to continue holding workshops so that Silvers can become closer to the church and learn about the world of the heart. For 4 days starting on 14th, the Cambodian Good News Phnom Penh Church held the 2024 rainy season retreat with about 300 believers from all over the country to celebrate the Water Festival, the biggest holiday in Cambodia. In a variety of programs such as mind education and mind recreation, Pastor Tisik Byun of Good News Taiwan Church shared the heart of God revealed in the Bible and his vivid missionary testimony. On the last day of the retreat, a baptism ceremony was held for the newly saved believers. IYF, Democratic Republic of Congo Kinshasa branch is conducting a mind program every month at the GSBG school in the capital Kinshasa. The Kinshasa branch has been consistently providing mind education to UPGAI University and GBG Middle and High School, run by Representative Celestin, and this year, it visited schools every month to provide mind recreation and lectures to inform students of the importance and necessity of mind change. The GBG principal sympathized with the importance of mind education and expressed gratitude for IYF's visit, expressing his hopes for continued exchanges with IYF. About 3,000 citizens gathered at the World Culture Fair hosted by the IYF, Australian Townsville branch. The event was held with the support of 35 companies, 50 volunteers, the cooperation of 10 non-profit organizations, and 25 performance teams from 20 countries participated, creating a colorful stage. Queensland State Senator and Townsville City Councillor also attended the event and delivered congratulatory remarks. The Townsville branch said it plans to hold a World Culture Fair every year in future, and it will provide more excitement and a place for exchange for Townsville citizens. Ethiopian Good News Addis Ababa Church held a CLF conference with Pastor Minyong Moon as a lecturer from 15th to 20th, with cooperation of Pastor Sambito, Vice President of Ethiopian Evangelical Association. About 300 pastors from all over Addis Ababa, the capital, listened to a lecture on the topic of the tabernacle. Afterwards, a CLF meeting was held at Selo Theological Seminary Auditorium in Awassa, the southern region. The president and leader pastors of the Southern Christian Association attended and heard gospel. Through CLF, gospel is being spread to the Ethiopian pastors.